Hello guys, welcome back to HierroShield's YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the solution for problem that is glory of garden. So here in glory of garden we will find a description that this file contains more than it seems. And when you download that JPG, so while downloading it, after opening you will see a picture of garden, right? So I have downloaded it right here. So to move ahead with, even if you would use any bin walk or anything to open that image, it won't work because the problem belongs to forensics category. So it's mandate you should be trying with several different ways that are possible in case you want to learn. Okay, so after trying, you will find that like first approach, whenever you are handling any of the file that has any extension or even without extension. So the first approach should be you should be going to look the values of the hex, or you can say that you should be looking into hex values of that file. So to do that, we have two ways. First one is actually going onto website and searching for the actual website, that is hex editor. We can directly search hex editor, and if not, what we can do, we will just we can just go on to website and look for hex editor right here. Hex editor. Okay, my bad. Hex editor. So here you can find multiple sites for, but for now I have my own HXD tool installed on my system, so I prefer using that. So HXD is tool similar desktop application for text editor only. So we will move on to that tool. So here I have opened that file that we were actually okay. Hmm. So here you can see I have opened my HXD tool, and here is a file garden.jpg opened on the system. So here are some random gibberish values in hex that we can find. Okay, so moving to the top of this file back. So you can see whenever you are working with any of the file with any of the extension, this is these few bits that we see on the top. Those are magic numbers. So kindly go on internet and search for magic numbers. Surely it's not related to this problem, but it will be helpful whenever you are working with any of the file that don't have extension. So looking at this magic number, you can just set the extension and you can open that file in that particular format. So moving ahead. So here is some gibberish values. So here we have a search option that's present. So what we will do, we will just open our search and we will set the direction to all, and we will search this Pico CTF term because we all know the format of the flag is Pico CTF. So we'll just click search all. So it will take some time and it will just show you the result. So for this problem, it's an easy level problem. That's why at the bottom of file they have pasted this particular flag. We can just take this thing. We will copy this and we will move right back to pasting our flag into. So moving back, we will paste this flag into our field. So here we will execute this, and yeah, it hit the correct one. So this was the actual flag for glory of the garden problem that we will find on Pico CTF. So that was an actual easy solution. So thanks for watching the video, and do like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any special request, kindly do add that request into comment section. We will surely try to solve that problem for you. Thank you so much.